Hi there friends, hope you're well. I recently did a craft room makeover, and while I was organizing my Huawei embossing powders, I saw that if I had to store them upside down so that I can see the color of the powders, the bottles would not fit into the storage containers that I bought for them. So they had to stand upright, and then when you purchase them, they only have a white lid, or a white piece showing at the top. So I thought maybe I should make little cardstock pieces to glue onto the top of the little container with the embossing powders in it, so that I can see what the color would look like if I used it. And also another reason for doing that is sometimes the colors is a little bit lighter or a little bit darker, and they have different colors in them, then you can and you cannot see that while it is in the powder form. So you have to melt them first to see exactly what the colors look like. So here is just my take on adding some color swatches to my bottle so that I can see exactly what the color would look like and the texture when I use these embossing powders. Please also remember that we do stock them in our shop, the Little Paper Escape shop. So if you want some of the colors, or you need to purchase them, or you would also like to start collecting all the colors, you are welcome to contact us. Our contact details are at the end of this video. I hope to chat to you soon. Have a good week. Okay, bye.